Have you guys ever used ChatGPT?
Yes, I have.
What do you use it for?
I was using it for my thesis, to be honest.
What do you use it for?
Me for my cat.
Your chat? Are you scared or excited about the future of artificial intelligence?
I am both scared and excited, but mostly scared, I would say.
Why?
Mostly for ecological reasons, because of like how much energy it consumes and like the possibilities of it being used in war crimes and all this stuff.
Are you scared or excited?
Yeah, I'm mostly excited because I think the possibilities are endless. So yeah.
What do you think it means to be human? What do you think it means to be human in the age of artificial intelligence?
Yeah, I think you have to be authentic. Yeah, kind.
Kind.
Yeah.
Do you think your children will be affected by artificial intelligence?
If I also have any children, yes, definitely.
Do you think you won't have children?
I think so, at least not my own. I mean, I'm gonna definitely take care of some.
You know, there's a population collapse happening right now around the world.
Please.
Yeah, people need to have more kids.
Okay.
Thank you for taking the time. I really appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.